Hello guys, welcome to a Tuesday night. We are bringing all the cozy vibes. I may or may not also be trying to stay optimistic because I have a lot of organization and decluttering to do in this video. So we've already established this on my channel. You guys like the cleaning videos. There is an audience for the cleaning videos. I don't understand it, but I'm bringing it to you guys because you guys love this. I also am redoing my living room. I'm working with my friend again, and we are redoing the entire living room, kitchen, and we're turning my little office in the living room into a dining area. So my office I'm going to bring in here. But in order to do that, in order to start this makeover process of my apartment, we gotta declutter. So since I'm here right now, we are going to start with clothing. So I have Xena here to help me. We're not even hiding this anymore. Xena's my assistant. Come here, boo.
Hi.
Hello. Everyone in the comments like, yeah, Xena's def getting paid.
Obviously. I don't do this shit for free.
Weirdly, she's one of my friends that I became friends after hiring her. It's just like I love my job so much, we just bond over it.
Yeah, I totally get it. So here's the thing. She don't like cleaning, but I do.
She loves cleaning. We're gonna do a keep,
maybe pile like we did last time. Okay. Oh, we didn't post her thumbnail.
We could do that.
Just do it quick.
Okay. Get that pop of color on the thumbnail. Wait, this is another shade of orange. Oh. We got a color palette going on. Sky's gonna be shady and keep this in my vlog.
Anyway.
When your editor's low-key a shady bitch, but you love it because I'm a shady bitch and it's perfect. So we're gonna time lapse this and then I'll vlog for you guys like what I have too much of and what I need to get rid of. Okay guys, so this over here is my sweaters and cardigans. Over here we have my tank tops. Over here we have my large pile of t-shirts that Buddy is trying to cuddle on. And then over here is more t-shirts. I'm gonna go through the sweaters, long sleeve, and cardigans first and see what I wanna get rid of. Then I'm gonna move to tank tops. Then I'm gonna deal with t-shirts last because I just have so many. And yeah. Alright guys, so please enjoy this footage of me trying to justify why I should keep all my clothes. And yes, I know, I have a problem. I actually really like this. I would not wear this right now. Should we take this to HQ? Yeah, keep. This is cute. Ooh, this is like my painting shirt. Yeah, this is comfy. We're gonna keep this. Oh, this is cute. Wait, I love this together. I don't like it. Yeah, it's a vibe. I like brown. I think I'm gonna keep it, but if the comments roast this, I might just get rid of it. So cute. Yeah. Why is this brown shirt looking cute with everything? It looks like old and washed up. Actually, keep this for bed. Spring wardrobe. This is cute for spring. Get rid of this. This never fit. Oh, you can always go with a black crop. I love this together, this combo. Get rid of. Too busy. This is one of my favorite sleep tops. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. I do not like the cut. This is so unflattering. Get rid of this. Oh no, this is Nikki. Keep this. Fucking bye, bitch. I'm gonna show you guys what we're getting rid of and what we're keeping. T-shirts I'm keeping. Tops I'm keeping. More t-shirts I'm keeping. Skirts I'm keeping, all these. Then we have tanks I'm keeping. Bed t-shirts I'm keeping. And then over here is just everything I'm getting rid of. Look at that. And then all the way in this corner is my little spring wardrobe that we're moving to headquarters, aka our film house. Now I'm going to go through what's hanging up in my closet because there's a lot hanging here that's cute, but I have not touched or worn. So I'm just gonna go through this and we're gonna time lapse that.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown.
So this is like everything I'm getting rid of, guys. Like all of this. Tomorrow morning, Xena's gonna grab some bins at Target, and we're also gonna move to the vanity and then clean out everything in the vanity. We're exhausted. We put everything away. I used to have this only color coded, but I have so many layering pieces. I wanted to put them all in one area. And then we have a huge black section because fall. I have just a ton of neutrals right now. All right, guys, I'm like a mess. Catch up with you guys in the morning. Alright guys, good morning. I hardly got a good night's sleep. I literally stayed up so late cleaning, but the good news is we got the entire closet done. I think doing a closet clean out before a season change is really important because you can see like what you're lacking, what you tend to buy more of. So we are done with the fashion part of this video. Now we're gonna move on to my vanity, which I'm really excited about. Because I'm an influencer, I used to get a ton of PR packages. Slowly but surely, I feel like they stopped coming because I've moved so many times. I swear packages are still going to LA and packages are still going to my parents' house. I feel like nobody knows where to send stuff here. But I feel like that's kind of a good thing, and I can't believe I'm saying that. But I, at one point, started to just have, like, foundations in every color that weren't my skin color. Like, I had a collection of makeup, so I have downsized already. I want to declutter this vanity and lessen the makeup to the point where I can keep my makeup literally in a makeup bag. Like, that's the goal. So that way, I can have my desk on the vanity, but also have my little portable mirror, whip this out when I want to do my makeup, and just work and do my makeup in the same spot when I have my coffee in the morning. So time to get satisfying and cue the montage. So in here we have all this, and I don't really use all this. I really only use what's up here. I don't use what's down here. So like, we need to really go through this. This is what we're getting rid of. This is what was in the drawer. And then on the seat is everything I'm keeping. So these are like my everyday colors that I feel like I would wear. These are my fun palettes. Over here is like my face stuff, like blushes, bronzers, highlights. We got some liners and mascaras, some lip stuff, brush cleaner. But now we have to clean this, and we're just gonna rinse that out and start putting stuff away in there. But now I feel like I wanna go through this. I feel like this is going to be the biggest culprit. Makeup just hoards in that thing, and I haven't looked through there in months, so I guarantee I'm gonna get rid of most of that. Alright, so we have progress. I'm gonna show you guys what we did in the drawer. So over here we have all my bronzers. We got Marc Jacobs powder, Kat Von D, Too Faced under there, Milk liquid bronzers. Then we have all my highlights over here. Oh my god, look at me testing all my liners, like on my hand. And then we have all my blushes and like my liquid blush. Then we have all my liners. Can you tell I'm an eye makeup girl? Then I have my eyebrow stuff, my gels, my sharpener. Like, this is the eye section. Here we have all my lipsticks and glosses. And here we have my liners. We should probably move my chapstick over here. And then I have just like fun glitter if I want to play around. And then here's my face section. I need to get more dividers for the face section. So now over here, I ran out of room, but these are all my fun palettes. Like if I want to play around with makeup, these are where I'm going to go. I have a lot of glittery palettes, a lot of fun color palettes. Look at that. I can't get rid of it. Now I'm just adding all my everyday eyeshadow palettes to here, and then we should be good to bring the laptop in. I'm so excited. These are my everyday eyeshadow palettes. Look how clean, so clean. It's so satisfying. All right guys, so we have officially cleared this off, got rid of all my makeup, put everything in the drawer, and now we have room for the iMac. So Nate's gonna help me carry in the iMac, and we're gonna be done.
Yeah, I'm slipping away, yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay.
This is officially my office, which is crazy. I already love the vibe in here. I love that this room is like really soundproof, so I'm not gonna hear anything when I'm working, which is gonna be awesome. Comment down below what you guys want to see next on this channel, and subscribe, click the bell to be notified every time I upload. If you want to be the first to be notified, you have to click the bell. Subscribing just doesn't do it anymore. The way that YouTube works, you have to click the bell. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, and there's a lot coming, and I want to take some of your requests also. Comment down below if you want more vlogs or more fashion videos or how-to videos or personal videos, anything, just let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Now I'm alone in my